Dear doctors and students, welcome to part 4 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala. One of the main problems we encounter in practice is the conversion of the patient's symptoms into the proper language of the repertory. In order to overcome this problem, we should understand exactly the meaning of each rubric, sub-rubric with cross-references and remedies. The mental rubrics especially are difficult to understand by the dictionary meaning alone. We should understand the correct meaning assigned to a particular rubric from the mouth of great teachers and by constant practice. And this video is aimed at helping the beginners in homeopathy practice as well as the students in homeopathy. And this work is based on the repertories of Kent, Synthesis, Murphy and Complete. I request you to give your valuable reviews and suggestions, if any, to this video. And why the age is important during case taking. We are discussing about the translating symptoms into the rubrics, how to find out the appropriate rubrics during case taking itself. Why the age is so important in case taking and repertorization. We will discuss with some beautiful example. BHP, benign hypertrophy of the prostate, is a common cause of straining micturition in the elderly. But if the same symptom in the younger age group, what may be the diagnosis? Then it may be urethral stricture. So BHP, that may result in the straining micturition in the elderly, but the same symptom in the younger age group, that may be because of the urethral stricture. So we can diagnose by looking into the age of the patient. Renal lump and hematuria may be a renal cell carcinoma in a 35-year-old individual. Same symptom in a 30-year-old, that is Wilms tumor. Breast lump in adolescent female, probably a fibroadenoma. But in the middle-aged or elderly, the breast lump, that may be due to carcinoma. So the age is important. And depending upon the age, we have to select the rubric. Newborn, infants, children, adolescent, puberty, younger, elderly, like that. Lot of rubrics are there in our repertories, both in the cancer repertory, Synthesis, Murphy and Complete repertory. Remember, depending upon the age, the medicines are different for the same complaint. Depending upon the age, the medicines are different for the same complaint. Now, what is the importance of occupation in case taking and repertorization? How we can select the rubrics based on occupation? For example, a policeman or a bus conductor complains about the pain in the leg. That is mainly because of the varicose vein. And the carcinoma, that is very common in rubber, textiles and petrochemical industry, especially the carcinoma of the bladder. Then pulmonary diseases, silicosis of miners, asbestosis in asbestos workers, coal workers pneumoconiasis, bicyanosis in textile workers. So depending upon the occupation, their complaints may be different. Hepatitis B, that may be common in blood-related workers like the doctors and nurses. Radiological technicians are prone to leukemia and thyroid cancer. A person with headache and blurring vision, he was an employee in a garment showroom, major part of his day in front of the computer screen. So, depending upon the occupation, we can select the rubric also. A 29-year-old employee in the multinational company presented with pain in the epigastric region since 1 month. He was a non-smoker, non-alcoholic, consumed non-spicy food. So, a non-smoker, non-alcoholic and consumed non-spicy food also. Epigastric pain since 1 month. So, what may be the diagnosis? The diagnosis may be peptic ulcer on the basis of the stressful life, long working hours, inadequate sleep, irregular sleep or irregular meals and pressure of achieving the target. These are all some reason for this type of people for developing the peptic ulcer. So that's the importance of occupation. In case of an unemployed, ask about the type of work he used in earlier days. And along with the occupation, it is very important to know the lifestyle of the patient during his work. For example, in IT professionals, the constipation is a common thing. It is very easy to work out this type of occupational diseases with our repertory. Rectum, constipation, sedentary habits from, that's a rubric. Only few remedies are listed. It is very easy to select the rubric also. And the occupation related rubrics are there in many of the repertories, but the best that is available in the Constitution chapter of the Murphy's repertory. Lot of interesting rubrics related to the occupation that is there in the Constitution's chapter. The main rubric is occupation in Murphy's repertory. And the concomitants, that is also very important. Prescribing on the basis of concomitants, that offers 100% result. Fever is the main symptom, but if it is associated with the cough and expectoration, that may be a respiratory infection. If the fever is associated with the cough and expectoration, that may be the respiratory infection. And if the fever is associated with the burning micturition, then that may be UTI, urinary tract infection. And fever is associated with the diarrhea, that may be GIT infection. And if the fever is associated with the jaundice, that is an hepatobiliary disease. And if the fever is associated with the tender swelling, so it may be cellulitis or abscess. And fever is associated with altered sensorium, it may be a CNS infection like meningitis, malaria, etc. So, diagnosis on the basis of the concomitant symptom, prescribing on the basis of the concomitant symptom. And the diagnosis by the patient, always take care about that. All scrotal swellings, he may say like hernia. For the patients, almost all the scrotal swellings are hernia. All bleeding per rectum, according to the patients, are hemorrhoids, but it may be due to fissure, cancer or fistula. And all abdominal pain may be appendicitis to the patient, even though that's on the left side or on the right side, whatever it may be. All respiratory complaints are pneumonia to the common man. All respiratory complaints, they are usually assuming the diagnosis as pneumonia. Symptoms like the anger, restlessness, headache attributed to the blood pressure patients. Anger, restlessness, headache, everything they are attributing to hypertension. Weakness and fatigue, low BP is the main reason cited by the public. That may be because of the anemia or the thyroid complaint, whatever it may be. But the patient usually assigning weakness and fatigue to the low BP. So always take care about the diagnosis by the patient. And something about the duration also. Duration of the complaint also very important. And based on this we can prescribe. Severe sudden pain in the lower limb for few hours. That may be because of embolism. Severe sudden pain in the lower limb for few hours. But few weeks or months, that may be because of the Buerger's disease. Severe sudden pain for few weeks or months, that may be because of the Buerger's disease. Cough and fever since few days, that may be acute bronchitis. But since few weeks can be tuberculosis or chronic respiratory complaint. So duration is very important. You have to ask about the duration of the complaint. In inflammatory swelling, pain appears before the swelling. In inflammatory swelling, the pain appears before the swelling. But in neoplastic diseases, swelling noticed much before the pain. So that is the difference. Swelling noticed much before the pain. So duration is very important. And based on that, you have to select the rubric also. What other people see? Romance. What doctors see? Veins and veins. So that is the difference in the observation. Now we will discuss some interesting clinical situations that we encountered in our day-to-day clinical practice and how we can convert that clinical situations into the language of the repertory. The patient. One day I had some thoughts about my father's death and father died 2 days after it. Whatever thought come into mind, that happens in reality. How you will work out this? If a patient is explaining like this, how we can work out this particular condition? The rubric is prophetic. Prophetic. That rubric is there in Kent, Synthesis, Murphy, and Complete Repertory. Feels mentally relaxed while working in kitchen or garden. Whenever I have some tension, I will go to the kitchen or to the garden. Feels mentally relaxed while working. The rubric, mind occupation ameliorates. Occupation ameliorates. When another child came to the house, she kept her toys away. My child kept his toys away when another child came to my house. How you will work out? There are different types of children and their toys. Jealousy, toys about. That's a rubric. Jealousy, toys about. Another rubric is selfishness in children. Husband is a drunkard. He would stop drinking and then start again. He stop drinking and then start again. How we can work out this? That is rubric dipsomania. Dipsomania, tendency for the alcoholism. I do not love my husband sincerely. I am just living with him. I do not love my husband sincerely. I am just living with him. Can you convert that into the language of the repertory? It is very simple. Mind aversion husband to. Another rubric is indifference to family. Indifference to family members. Mind aversion husband to. After that accident, I cannot understand things well. After that road traffic accident happened to me, I cannot understand things well. The rubric, mind, confusion, injury to the head after. A beautiful rubric. Mind, confusion, injury to the head after. So you have to select this type of specific rubric rather than prescribing arnica to almost all the complaints of the injury or the road traffic accident. Words are mistaken while writing. Words are mistaken while writing, a symptom of the learning disability. Mind mistakes, reading or writing. Mind mistakes, reading or writing. Her hobby is to speak faulty of others. Always find out the faults and speaking faulty of others. The rubric, slander disposition to. Slander disposition to. My wife would never speak good about anybody. She will find fault with everything and everybody. She will never speak about good of others, but always finding fault with others and criticizing everybody. The rubric, censorious, fault-finding nature. Another rubric is critical. Censorious or critical. These are the two rubrics you can work out in this case. Never speak good about anybody. Always finding fault with everything and everybody. That is censorious. Critical. I used to smoke cigarettes. Therefore, homeopathic medicine won't act on me. Doctor, I am smoking regularly. So I think it is better not to take homeopathic medicine, but give medicine to my child. They have aversion to homeopathy, not because of the cigarettes. So the rubric, homeopathy aversion to, that is a beautiful rubric in Synthesis Repertory, mind chapter. Homeopathy aversion to. The patient come after a long period of allopathy treatment. Still he asks, for how much period I have to take your medicines? She was already under medication since long time. But on coming to the homeopathy physician, for how much period I have to take your medicines? The treatment not even started, but still the patient repeatedly asking, how much period I have to take your medicine? So which rubric will work out in this case? These are all some common clinical situations in our day-to-day clinical practice. Which rubric will work out? That means the patient is impatient. Impatient, that's a rubric. And some other patients, homeopathic medicine take a long time to act, so not suitable for me. Homeopathic medicines take a long time to act, so not suitable for me. Two rubrics are there: homeopathy aversion to, then repulsive. That means blaming a system of medicine or blaming others without any valid reason. Homeopathy aversion to or repulsive. Patient who keeps on consulting different doctors. Keep on consulting different doctors. They will visit the allopathy doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, homeopathy doctor, then again another homeopathy doctor. That the patients are that type of patient keep on consulting different doctors. That's why we are inquiring about the treatment history also. We'll get these details from the treatment history. So how you will work out this patient? Which rubric we will select? Patient keep on changing the doctors. The rubric is inconstancy. Inconstancy. They will not stick on to one decision. Patient who consult the same doctor even if she is not getting relief. That is also another scenario. Patient consulting the same doctor even if she is not getting relief. Sometimes this happens in our clinic also. So there are three rubrics related to that condition. One, faith in the physician, then firmness and optimistic. These are the three rubrics related to this condition. Faith in the physician, firmness and optimistic. These are all three related rubric. When reaches home after finishing the examination, the candidates find new questions in the question paper, unseen while writing the examination. It's a symptom of the learning disability. A clear-cut symptom of learning disability. When reaches home after finishing the examination, the candidates finds new questions in the question paper, but not during writing the examination. So that is learning disability. There is a good rubric in complete dynamics. Learning difficult and concentration difficult, reading or studying well. That is also you can take. That is there in synthesis repertoire, that particular rubric. So learning difficult, concentration difficult, reading or studying well. So there is a direct rubric also, the learning disability. In synthesis repertory, there is a rubric called dyslexia, and under that there are some beautiful sub-rubrics are given. So just go through that main rubric also. All the students are writing notes in the classroom, but one student is not. And that is not because of the arrogancy, not because of the audacity, but because of the learning disability. Then the rubric mind right inability for the most important remedies in Axomica. Right inability for all the students are writing notes in the classroom, but one student is not. So just to try to understand the situation of that child, and maybe because of the learning disability. Teacher takes the class with much exertion, but the student remain inattentive. The student remain inattentive. Nowadays it is a tough problem to engage the students. So the rubric concentration difficult, attention cannot fix. That's the main rubric. Concentration difficult, attention cannot fix. That rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Can you give some rubrics related to the attention deficit hyperactive disorder in adults? ADHD in adult. That may happen in adult also, not only in children. The ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorder. The rubrics are inconstancy, constantly changing the job. Then irresolution, unable to decide upon, undertake many things and persist in nothing. Inconstancy, that is a symptom of ADHD. Irresolution, that is also a symptom of ADHD. Then undertake many things but persist in nothing. These are all some rubrics related to the adult ADHD. Have so many problems in life, doctor. Still moves forward. Still I am satisfied. I am moving forward despite various problems and hurdles in the life. The rubric content. They are satisfied despite various problems like the diseases of the father, mother or children, or the financial problem, they are still moves forward. I am disgusted to wash my child in the toilet. I won't use the toilet used by somebody else. I am disgusted means desperate or dissatisfied to wash my child in the toilet. Not interested, aversion to wash my own child in the toilet. I won't use the toilet used by somebody else. How you will work out this condition? This rubric, disgust, dirt with. Disgust, dirt with. Doctor, I know my disease won't get cured. Still, please give me some medicine to relieve the pain. I am sure my disease won't get cured, but give some medicine to relieve the pain. The rubric, indifference recovery. Indifference recovery. And the rubric, fear pain off. They are very much afraid of the pain. They know that their disease won't get cured, but they want some medicine to relieve the pain. Indifference recovery of. So what is wrong with this image? That is actually appeared in a famous magazine in the regional language. What happened to the earpiece of the stethoscope? This may happen to us also in OPD or our clinic. Without placing the earpiece, we will examine the patient. So which rubric will work out for this type of condition? And that is because of the absent-mindedness. Mind absent-minded. That is the rubric. My neighbor is well settled. I hope I would also become like that one day. Suppose a person explaining like this. My neighbor or my friend or my brother is well settled. I hope I would also become like that one day. So that for that I am working very well. The rubric is envy. Envy. Envy is positive, trying to attain the prosperity of others. When I was able enough, I raised my family well. Now I wish to lead a settled and peaceful life. When I was able enough, I raised my family well. Now I wish to lead a settled and a peaceful retired life. The rubric, longing, repose and tranquility. Repose and tranquility. Rectifying mistakes of others is his main hobby. Rectifying the mistakes of others. Then the rubric, rectify desire to. Rectify desire to. Teacher, that answer is not right. If somebody says to me like this, I will get hurt. And this is a problem for the many teachers. Teacher, that answer is not right. If some students say to me like this, I will get hurt. How you will work out this condition? This may happen to her father also. If the children, they are trying to rectify him, that will hurt him. Sensitive criticism too. Sensitive criticism too, that may be the related rubric in that condition. He is the leader of Alcohol Prohibition Committee, but he is a drunkard. This is a situation among the politicians or the religious leaders. They are not following what they are saying. Pretending principles. The religious leaders, they will preach many things. They will advise the common people about the alcoholism and other forbidden things, but they are not following their personal life. The rubric is hypocrisy, pretending principles. Child demands things but rejects when offered. Child demands so many things but rejects when offered. That's a rubric, capriciousness. Capriciousness. This medicine is of no use. My disease won't get cured by it. Doctor, this medicine given by is of no use. My disease won't get cured by it. The rubric, doubtful recovery of medicine is useless things. Another rubric in complete repertory, delusion, disease incurable, medicine useless. This is of no use of taking this medicine, simply waste of money. The patients think like that. So delusion disease, incurable, medicine useless. And the doubtful recovery of medicine is useless, he think. That's rubric in synthesis repertory. Father didn't allow me to marry a girl of a different caste whom I wanted to. Later he allowed, but I didn't accept it. Later he allowed for that by compulsion from the mother or by the family friends. But I didn't accept it. How you will work out this type of situations? Attitude assumes strange. That may be a related rubric. Attitude assumes strange. She has pimples and say she is not beautiful. Never attends marriage or other functions. Very common in nowadays, this type of cases, because of pimples or because of hair fall or because of discoloration. They are thinking that they are not beautiful. So never attend marriage and other function. So some beautiful rubrics. Delusion, ugly body looks. It's a type of delusion. Delusion, face seems ugly. Delusion, state of his body erroneous. Delusion, state of his body erroneous. Delusion, shrunken parts are. Thoughts erroneous, faulty assumption. Thoughts erroneous, faulty assumptions. So these are all some related rubrics in that condition. I am the kind of person who keeps things at the safe place and later forget that safe place. Can you give a rubric for this condition? This type of symptoms are common in our clinical practice. We took all these symptoms from our clinical practice, from our OPD or from our clinic, and added rubric to that only. So the rubric in this case, memory weakness, objects where he had put. That's a specific rubric. Never work out the rubric mind memory weakness. Of that have more than 400 remedies are there. So mind weakness, objects where he had put. Husband goes to work even during holidays because he doesn't love me. Because he doesn't love me. That's a thought by the wife. So the rubric possessiveness and another rubric is jealousy. These are all two related rubrics. Possessiveness, because of possessiveness, she is thinking like that, and jealousy. Doctor asked me to stop allopathic medicine. Shall I take them when I have pain? The patient repeatedly asking, can I take when I have pain? Because your medicine may be not useful for the acute condition. Some patients have a thought that the homeopathy is not useful for the acute conditions or emergency management. So that is why they are asking. They are bargaining. Shall I take when I have pain or sometimes or occasionally? The two rubrics related to that, bargaining. Then confidence want off. Confidence want off. And another rubric is bargaining. Have everything but there is no peace of mind. Everything is there in life. Good home, good financial background, everything is there. But there is no peace of mind. The rubric, that is discontent. Discontent means always dissatisfied. Always dissatisfied. I am mentally stressed since a while. I am mentally stressed. Ailments from stress. The rubric, stressed mentally and emotionally. That rubric is there in complete repertoire. A beautiful rubric. That may be that rubric you can work out for the extreme stress. I am stressed mentally and emotionally. Because of stress, I have this problem. And rubric in corresponding rubric in synthesis repertory, ailments from cares and worries. Because of stress, ailments from cares and worries. I am highly concerned about what others say about me. I am highly concerned about what others say about me. Some related rubrics are indignation, sensitive opinion of others, fear opinion of others, delusion criticized, delusion despised, offended easily, or delusion insulted he is. These are some beautiful related rubrics for that particular condition. Says jokes even during severe pain. That patient in the IPD saying jokes even in the pain and palliative ward. The rubric, jesting. I am better now, but the disease is not completely cured, doctor. I am comparatively better by your treatment, but not got a complete relief. It's a common explanation by some patients. That means they are not satisfied with your treatment. Discontent. I have some improvement, but not completely cured. So you have to take the rubric. If the patient is saying like that, discontent. That means dissatisfied. I am doing exercise now. As a result, my disease is cured now. That is not because of your medication, not because of your treatment. I started my exercise now. As a result, my disease is getting cured. That means they are also not satisfied with your treatment. Discontent. Doctor, shall I stop your treatment and take allopathic treatment? The patient repeatedly asking. Shall I stop your treatment and take allopathic treatment? Is it needed? Two rubrics. Change desire for or confidence want of. Lack of confidence. Even though the patient is getting some improvement, they are not confident about your treatment. They are constantly changing the patient, changing the doctor also. So the change desire for. You have to work out that rubric for this type of personality. Confidence want of or change desire for. Doctor, you are giving the same medicine again and again. The last time also you have given the medicine. The same medicine prescribed this time also. So you have to take the rubric change desire for. These are all some common situations in our clinical practice. Change desire for. Immediately take that rubric. So that is why we are giving different types of BTs. 1 grain, 2 grain, 3 grain, 5 grain like that at different occasions. Otherwise the patient will think that they are getting the same medicine. I have a very severe headache. He always trusted his words. Always trusted his words because you are using the word very severe, very severe. Everything is very severe. The headache is severe, abdominal pain is severe, hair fall is severe. Always using the word very severe, very severe. Then you have to take the rubric exaggerating. So mental rubrics you can select by simply observing the patient, simply observing the words of the patient also. Exaggerating. There are no disease which I do not have. I have almost all the diseases. I have almost all the diseases. There is no disease which I do not have. The rubric mind delusion. Disease, every disease he has. Mind delusion, disease, every disease he has. That's the rubric for that condition. Can you suggest a rubric for this picture? Love your parents because not everyone has got the opportunity. See the child on the left side. He is simply watching, keenly watching on the parents on the right side. If I also have a parent like this, I will get some love and care from the parents also. Can you suggest a rubric for this picture? The rubric is forsaken feeling. And a beautiful rubric in synthesis repertory, mind orphan children. Doctor, I need to be treated by you only. My disease will get cured. Another explanation, type of explanation from different set of patients. Doctor, you are able. I am sure I will get a complete relief by your treatment. The two rubrics, related rubrics, pleasing. They are pleasing the doctor. And flattery. These are two related rubrics for this condition. Pleasing or flattery. The child in the clinic touches every object he sees. The child in the clinic touches every object he sees. The rubric touch, impelled to touch everything. You have to take that rubric. Other will not explain about this habit. But we have to observe the child. Child impelled to touch everything. And the patient refuses to undergo surgery even though strictly advised by the homeopathic doctor. Asked to prescribe medicine. Doctor, you will give medicine. I am not interested in surgery. And the homeopathic physician strictly advised to take the surgery because this is not curable by medicine. But still the patient is asking for the medicine. So some good related rubrics are fear operation. Maybe because of the fear of operation. Then another rubric, danger. Mind danger, no sense of danger has. Then fear surgery, there is a direct rubric. Well, say he is well, sick when very. He say well, even though very sick. These are all some related rubric for that condition. Every words explained by the patient can be converted into the language of the repertory. I was neglected even though I deserved a better consideration. I won't go there again. I was neglected even though I deserved a better consideration. So I won't go there again. That's mainly because of our egotism. That's a rubric. He even refuses to take his new white robes from the shelf to show his dead father. How will work out? He even refuses to take his new white robes from the shelf to shroud his dead father. They are miserly people. The rubric is miserly. Desire to save money even in occasions that is considered necessary to spend. That's explanation of miserly. My husband is abroad, so I won't speak the man who comes to our house due to the fear of moral policing. My husband is out of station, so I wouldn't speak to the man who comes to our house because of the fear of moral policing. How you will work out this condition? Sensitive moral impression too. And that may be because of the increased sexual desire also. Thoughts intrude and crowd around sexual. They are always, this type of personalities are always indulging in pornographic films. Thoughts intrude and crowd around sexual. Their things are crowded or intrude around the sexual things. That may be the reason because they are saying like this. And sensitive, and maybe because of sensitive to moral impressions. These two rubrics you can consider in this type of explanation. Then rubric for the introvert personality, introverted. But remember, introspection and introverts are more or less same. A world of their own, no exposure. But reserved means he will work very well and excel when needed. That's the difference between the reserved and introverted. Be careful about that. Introspection and introverts are more or less same. A world of their own, no exposure for the introverted people or the introspection. But reserved, they will work and excel when needed. Even though they are not mingling with others, they will work and excel when needed. So that's the main difference between reserved people and introverted people. Feels that his wife is unclean sexually. Feels that his wife is unclean, especially sexually unclean. The rubric, delusion, dirty she is sexually. Pregnancy after, delivery after, mother being. 3 sub-rubrics are there. Mind delusion, she is sexually dirty after pregnancy, or delivery after she is sexually dirty. And after becoming a mother, she will become sexually dirty. The Berberis vulgaris is the most important remedy that is mentioned in synthesis repertory for this condition. She is sexually dirty after the delivery. Husband always complained about the food. Always complaining about the food. But that we can interpret, maybe interpreted as dissatisfied sexual life. Probably because of that, he is always complaining about anything. The cohesion, enjoyment absent. That rubric is there in the male and female chapter. Cohesion, enjoyment absent. When quarreling with the father, mother used to threaten that she won't be alive when the child returns home in the evening. Read it carefully. When quarreling with the father, mother used to threaten that she won't be alive when the child returns home in the evening. Or the father returns, the husband returns in the evening. The child who is in the kindergarten, a student, always cries in the school. When angered, she said that she feared that her mother won't be there at home in the evening when she returns from the school. Because of the conflict between the parents, the child crying constantly at school. Because of the fear that my mother may not be there when she returns from the school. There is a beautiful rubric in synthesis repertory. mind ailments, discord, parents between. Because of the discord between the conflict between the parents, the child has problem. Mind ailments from discord parents between. There are some other beautiful sub-rubrics also. Discord between the friends, discord between the boss and the subordinates. That rubrics is there in the synthesis repertoire. An elderly woman inquired him about the location of the lab in the institute. He holds her hand and takes her to the laboratory. How you will work out that? He holds her hand and take her into the laboratory. But the elderly woman inquired about the location of the lab only. No need to take her into the laboratory. But this fellow take her into the laboratory. The rubric, that is sympathetic. Sympathetic. If she feels the problem but not helping, then the impressionable. Sympathetic means not only sympathy, but she will definitely help that person. Try to cover their problems. Try to understand not only understanding their problem, but to try to resolve their problem by giving the remedial measures. That's the meaning of sympathetic. Not just sympathy, but trying to resolve their problem. Nelson Mandela had to remain in solitary conviction for 27 years. Remember? 27 years of solitary conviction, alone in a jail. Meanwhile, he was affected with tuberculosis and one of his children died. It was not sure that African National Congress would exist when he gets released after 27 years. Finally, he survived everything. Can you give a rubric for the Nelson Mandela or the related situation? To remain in a solitary conviction for 27 years, he was affected by tuberculosis and one of his children died. And he was not sure, whether the African National Congress would exist after 27 years when he gets released. Finally, he survived everything. The rubric, hopeful. Hopeful of recovery, hopeful about the future, optimistic. And the exact opposite rubric is pessimist. That is also there in synthesis repertoire. Optimistic. Random blood sugar is normal, but HbA1c value is very high. Patient deceived the doctor by controlling his food intake just before the investigation was done. So which rubric will work out for this type of patients? Patient deceived the doctor by controlling his food intake just before the investigation was done. So that is why the blood sugar was normal, but HbA1c value is very high. So you can take the two rubrics, either of this, liar, mendacity. These are the two rubrics related to this condition, liar or mendacity. Can you give a related rubrics for the Rajiv Gandhi's murder? Or murder of any political leader or any religious leader or the leader of a nation? The rubric is anarchist, using violent means to overthrow an established ruling power. Using violent means to overthrow an established ruling power. That's the meaning of anarchist. Nobody appreciate him. Nobody appreciating me. The rubric, mind appreciated cannot. Mind appreciated cannot. He stopped drinking alcohol, but his friend compelled him. But he is not taking the alcohol again. Even though his friends compelling him, he is not taking the alcohol again. The rubric, soberness. That means the self-controlling greased. The exact opposite word, addicted. Addicted to alcoholism or addicted to drug. But because of the self-control, he is not taking alcohol again. The rubric is soberness. Child wake up from sleep, shocked and cries. He doesn't remember anything. The rubric, can you suggest a rubric? It's a common condition in our clinical practice. Child wakes up from sleep, shocked and cries. He doesn't remember anything. The rubric is night terror. Night terror. Child screams in the midnight after sleep from seeing something and tells what he has seen. In this case also child screams, but he can remember, tells what he has seen. The rubric is nightmare. So night terror that occurs in the early part of the night, but child unable to remember. But in the nightmare that occurs in the late part of the night, and the child can remember everything. That's the difference between nightmare and night terror. Had been planning to consult the doctor for a long ago, but doctor, I found a time now only. Had been planning to consult you for a long time, but found time now only. If the patient is saying like this, which rubric will work out? The rubric is procrastinate. Another rubric, postponing. Same meaning. Procrastinate, postponing everything. Doctor, you will be there in the clinic, right? I am coming there in a while. Doctor, you will be there in the clinic. Am I right? I am coming there in a while. That is a phone call from the patient. From the phone call itself, you can select the rubric. The rubric in that case, demanding, impolite, demanding. Doctor, you should be there. I am coming there in a while. Demanding, impolite. So select the rubric from the phone call itself. Doctor, shall I come to your clinic? Doctor, shall I come to your clinic now? My child has some problem. So the rubric diplomatic or timidity. Maybe because of timidity the patient is asking like this. But in majority of the instances they are diplomatic. Doctor, shall I come inside? And knocking the door and gently asking, Doctor, shall I come inside? Then the rubric that may be timid. And the patient who comes very early to the clinic, even though his appointment time is 4 o'clock, she will reach by 3:15 or 3:30. Patient who comes very early to the clinic. How you will work out this type of personality? Anxiety, anticipatory. Another rubric, anxiety, time is set if. If time is set, they are very anxious. You have to reach by 4 o'clock. That means they are very anxious. Hurry, haste, time to arrive for the appointment. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Hurry, haste, time to arrive for appointed. They are very much hurried. That's why they are reaching very early in your clinic. So you have to select that rubric without asking the patient. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Hurry up with that kidney person, but obsessive compulsive disorder, the irresistible urge to burst the bubble wrap. This rubric we already discussed, thought persistent or thought compelling. In Murphy's repertoire, there is a direct rubric, obsessive compulsive disorder. And that obsession rubric is there in complete repertoire also. Person who reached the clinic at the exact time of appointment. Some patients are like that. They will reach only by 4 o'clock. You are given appointment by 4 o'clock. Rubric, punctual, always on time. That's rubric in complete repertory. Then conscientious about trifles. That's also related rubrics because they will reach on time. Not early, not too late. Punctual, always on time. That's a rubric. I reached it at 4 p.m. itself and it is 4:30 now. Still I am not being called. The doctor is examining another patient. That case may require some more time, or that case may be serious. But the patient outside is very much worried about that, about his turn. So the rubric, impatient. And the patient enters the room very slowly, in a timid manner, and that may be probably because of the want of confidence. Maybe because of want of confidence. You can take the rubric, confidence want. And the patient pushes the door roughly and enters inside briskly. The patient pushes the door roughly and enters inside briskly. So you have to work out immediately, you have to work out the rubric, either commanding, maybe because of arrogance, superiority complex, or insolence, maybe because of the lack of respect towards the doctor. So insolence, lack of respect, arrogance, superiority complex, or commanding. You can select either any of this rubric. Get irritated at wife when the food is a bit late. When the food is a bit late, he will become irritated with the wife. So you have to take that rubric, critical or censorious. This symptom usually explained by the wife. Doctor, my husband is so much irritated when even 1 or 2 minutes late or 5 or 10 minutes late for the food. He's always like that, trying to find out the fault with me. So critical, fault finding nature, censorious, two rubrics are there. Has a character like that, and the actor Dilip in the film Chandapottu, a female character of a male person. Female character in a male person. The rubric is effeminate. Effeminate. The famous film Chandapottu in Kerala, the actor Dilip, effeminate, the female character of a behavior of a male personality. She behaves like a man, the exact opposite condition. That particular lady behaving like a man. Her character is like that of a man. Mannish, that's the rubric. In the previous case, the rubric is effeminate, but in this case, the rubric is mannish. Another rubric, animus possession. Male character or male behavior of a female, that's an animus possession. My disease is very old. That means this is chronic. The rubric, generalities, complaints, chronic. Remember, this is not the mind chapter, generalities. We are discussing the mental symptoms, physical symptoms and particulars in this series of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubric. Mind, my disease is very old. So, you can take the rubric, generalities, complaints, chronic. She had a number of diseases to complain about. Lot of diseases. The patient has to explain continuously different types, different diseases of her. The rubric, complaining diseases of. Mind, complaining diseases of. Lot of diseases. He still complains frequently about the offences which I had committed several years ago. He still complains frequently about the offence which I had committed several years ago to him. Complaining offences of long past. Complaining, that's a rubric, offences of long past. Repeatedly doubts whether she won't get cured or her disease. The patient is repeatedly asking whether I can get cured or she won't get cured of her disease. Doubtful recovery of. Doubtful recovery of. Making derogatory opinions about persons who are respected and who have great position in the society. Even they are using the social media for that. Making derogatory opinions about persons who are respected and who have great position in the society. The rubric is there in Kent's repertory also. The rubric is blasphemy. Blasphemy. Showing deep respect and reverence. Showing deep respect and reverence towards others. Veneration, that is a rubric. The level of respect, the milder degree, that is respect, mind respect. Then comes the reverence, and the extreme respect, deep respect, that is veneration. Veneration. That's a 3 grade of respect. Artificial behavior and smile to please others, like the politicians do. Artificial behavior, or some religious leaders also, smile to please others, like the politicians or other religious leaders. The rubric is affectation. The first page of Kent's repertory, you will get this rubric. Artificial behavior designed to impress others. Always serious, never crack a joke. Always serious, never crack a joke. The rubric, solemn. My father is so serious, he will never crack a joke. Solemn. And the exact opposite condition, frivolous. Doesn't pay serious attention to anything. Frivolous means doesn't pay serious attention to anything. After a long period, I met my ex-boyfriend who had rejected me. He then enquired me, Miss or Mrs.? I replied, I am a doctor. I replied, I am a doctor. After a long period, I met my ex-boyfriend. So how you will work out this personality? The rubric, that is determination. Because of determination, she got the job of a doctor. There are some religious scholars who keeps on advising others, but they will be not perfect or pure in their personal life. They are advising others, who keeps on advising others, but they are not following the same. The rubric hypocrisy, that means pretending principles. Pretending principles. Arguing with the woman is like reading the agreement sign of a computer software. Whether be the scenario, we will have to accept her opinion finally. Which rubric will work out in that condition? Mind arguing. Mind arguing. That's the rubric. Mind arguing. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? This beautiful picture. Two rubrics are there in synthesis repertory. Imitation. Another rubric is mimicry. Imitation or mimicry. Disturbing others too by lamenting on his own fate. Always talking about his own fate. My fate is like this. I got nothing like that. Disturbing others too by lamenting on his own fate. Two rubrics are there. Wretched. Lamenting fate about. Wretched. That's one rubric. Then lamenting fate about. Always mourning. Allergic reaction after consuming aspirin. Which rubric will work out for that condition? Allergic reaction after consuming aspirin. The rubric in synthesis repertory, generalities, allergic constitution, aspirin 2. Generals, allergic constitution, aspirin 2. Always forget to take medicine. My father always forget to take medicine. I have to take the medicine, I have to give the medicine every time, otherwise he will forget. Neglecting important things, that's a rubric. And another rubric is heedless. That means careless. Heedless means careless. Neglecting important things. Unusually well before getting affected with some disease. My child get very well or unusually well before an attack of fever or before an attack of any disease. Generalities well, unusually well, then aggravates. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Generalities well, unusually well, then aggravates. Then mind well feels very ill before becoming. That's a rubric in complete repertory. The chapter mind well feels very well, he feels very ill before becoming. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Demands injection instead of medicine. Doctor, give some injection. I would like to have the pain of injection rather than your medication. Masochism, maybe because of masochism. Throwing things around when angry. Throwing things around when angry. My child or my husband throw things away when angry. Two rubrics are there. Throw things on anger. Then mind anger, throw things around. And third rubric is rage. He has no control over his anger. That's the meaning of rage. So direct rubric, throw things on anger. Anger, throw things around. Behaves pleasantly to people outside but indifferent to family members. My husband is behaving very pleasantly to the people outside but indifferent to me, towards me and towards my children. Mind indifference, apathy, loved ones too. Strangers but animated too. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Mind indifference to loved ones but animated to the strangers. He is behaving very pleasantly. Then aversion family members. Aversion family to members of others but talk pleasantly to others. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. In complete repertory that is included under the mind indifference, but in synthesis repertory, mind aversion to the family members but talk pleasantly to others. That's a exact rubric in that condition. And the patient keeps on asking about the cause of his disease. The patient keeps on asking about the cause of his disease. You can take it as curiosity or inquisitive. Curiosity or inquisitive. Previous medicines were effective, but those given recently are not. This is another complaint usually we are encountering in our clinic. Doctor, your previous medicine was good, but the recent one that is not so good. So which rubric will work out in that case? The patient is explaining like this. Because they are not satisfied with your treatment, discontent, dissatisfied. Probably you might have given the same medicine, but the size of the BT may be different. So discontent. Speaks and perform well at home but doesn't do well at school. My child speaks and perform very well at home but doesn't do well at schools. That may be because of the fear of strangers. So you can take the rubric fear strangers off. Another rubric, timidity appearing public. And the third one, anxiety strangers off. So that may be because of this anxiety because of the strangers or the fear strangers off, or timidity appearing in public. Always wears amulets, magical chains and bracelets. He always wears amulets, magical chains and bracelets because of fear. Mind, evil, fear of. Another rubric is superstitious. Mind, evil, fear of. Another rubric, superstitious. My family neglects and keeps me away. My family is neglecting me, neglects and keeps me away. Estranged from family, that's a rubric. Estranged from family. Patient sleeps even while consulting the doctor. Even during the consultation, the patient sleeps. They will give one or two answers, then they will go to sleep in front of the physician in the sitting position. The rubric, mind answering. Stupor returns after answering. Stupor returns after answering. God is testing me and hence I always get disease. It's another explanation by a patient. Doctor, God is testing me. That is why I am always getting the disease. So the exact rubric, delusion, God, vengeance. He is the object of God's vengeance. This rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Delusion, God, vengeance. He is the object of God's vengeance. Reluctant to accept the opinion of others. Say that he is always right. He is very reluctant to accept the opinion of others and saying that I am right, my decision is right. I will not allow you to enter into my house or to enter into my decision. So reluctant to accept opinion of others. The rubric, pertinacity. That means persist in one thing even if others disagree. Persist in a decision even if others disagree, or explain about the this means the incidents, or explain about the result of this decision. They will not change it. Persist in one thing even if others disagree. Hatred of someone which cannot be changed, even others comment good about that person. Have severe or extreme aversion to someone which cannot be changed, even others comments good about that person. Then the rubric, hatred. Hatred means dislike with the prejudice feeling. I have a dislike with my mother-in-law, even though she is a very good lady. Hatred, that means dislike with a prejudice feeling. Stops crying only when carried. The child stops crying only when carried. Then the rubric, mind weeping, carried, quiet only when. Mind weeping, carried, quiet only when carried. Adopted child is unable to adjust with the family. Adopted child found it very difficult to adjust with the family. Two interesting rubrics are there. Adoption ailments from. That rubric is there in complete repertory by Roger van Zandvoort. Adoption ailments from. Then in synthesis repertory, mind ailments from adoption. These are the two rubrics. And can you suggest a rubric for this image? Look at the size of her top, showing so much skin. Girls are so shameless these days. But see that lady? These two ladies, their dress and the dress of the new gen lady. Can you suggest a rubric for these two elderly ladies? Hypocrisy. That means pretending principles. They are advising others, or they are criticizing others, but not following in their own personal life. So hypocrisy, pretending principles. Spends money unnecessarily. My husband spending money unnecessarily. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Spending money unnecessarily. Rubric squanders. And my father behaves like a child after a stroke. After the stroke, my father behaves like a child. This is very common in our day-to-day clinical practice. Childish behavior, apoplexy after. This rubric is there in complete repertory and synthesis. Mind, childish behavior, apoplexy. Apoplexy means cerebrovascular accident or stroke. So you have to take this exact rubric. And I am so lazy to go to school. Otherwise he is okay. But laziness only to go to school. The rubric education aversion to. That's a rubric in complete repertory and synthesis. And another rubric aversion education to. Aversion education to or education aversion to. Two rubrics are there. He is misinterpreting what I said. He is always misinterpreting what I said. The rubric misinterpret. That rubric is there only in complete repertory. Misinterpret. Feels being criticized even if others make good comments about him. She feels being criticized even if others make good comments about her. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? That rubric is there in complete repertory. Offended, criticism takes as. Criticism takes as. Offended. Well matured but cannot perform well. The child is well matured but cannot perform well. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The rubric is there in synthesis repertory and complete repertory. Precocious but not performing. Precocious means well matured, prematurity. Well matured, not prematurity, but not performing. That rubric is in synthesis and complete repertory. Child put fingers in his mouth frequently. Always putting fingers in the mouth. This rubric is there in Ken's repertory also. In synthesis repertory, you will get it mouth fingers. Mouth fingers. In Ken's repertory also, mouth finger children put. Which rubric you will work out for irritable bowel syndrome? Irritable bowel syndrome. One common symptom is he wants to go to the toilet immediately after food. Rectum urging eating after. Rectum urging to stool eating after. Body feels bloated during menopause or at puberty. That's a common complaint, especially during the menopause and also sometimes at puberty because of the hormonal imbalances. So the rubric in complete repertory, generalities, swelling, edematous, menstrual complaints with at puberty or menopause. In synthesis repertory, the rubric is generalities, dropsy, external, puberty and menopause. One rubric is in synthesis, another rubric is in complete repertory. Complete repertory, generalities, swelling, but in synthesis repertory, generalities, dropsy, edematous, menstrual complaints at puberty or menopause. The main remedy is pulsatilla. Obesity during menopause. On attaining the menopause, I will become obese. So which rubric? Generalities, obesity, menopause during. That's a rubric. There are so much beautiful sub-rubrics for the obesity. Obesity in children, obesity in elderly people, obesity with the thyroid enlargement, like that. So see the rubric, obesity and the sub-rubric. Palpitation due to goiter. I have goiter. And because of that I have palpitation. Chest palpitation, goiter in. Chest palpitation, goiter in. That's a rubric. Gets infections frequently. My child gets infections frequently. Which rubric will work out for that condition? My child gets infections frequently. Generalities, history, personal, infections of frequent. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. You have to take the rubric in the chapter generalities, history, personal, infections of frequent, recurrent infections. Chronic urinary tract infection. How you will work out that's chronic UTI? Which rubric? The rubric is bladder inflammation chronic. Probably because of the chronic cystitis, the patient has chronic UTI. So the rubric for the UTI or the chronic UTI, the rubric bladder inflammation chronic. Then allergic to chemicals. How you will work out this? Allergic to all type of chemicals, whether because of inhalation or in this by using at the laboratory, or when mistakenly fallen on the body. Allergic to chemicals. Generals, allergic constitution, hypersensitivity to chemicals. That's rubric in synthesis repertory. And the clinical chapter of complete repertory, there is a rubric allergy chemicals 2. Allergy chemicals 2. These are all the two rubrics for the allergic to chemicals. Then the child gets infected with the parasitic disease often. Child gets infected with the parasitic diseases often. Can you suggest a rubric from any of these repertories? There is a direct rubric. Generals, chronic disease, parasitic or microorganisms from. The child has chronic parasitic disease from microorganism. Do you feel dominated by your wife? No, he doesn't. Who is answering? The wife itself answering. Can you suggest a rubric for the complaints from domination? That we can easily find out from our clinic. Suppose the complaint may be to the husband, but the wife is always replying. Wife is always giving the explanation about the diseases of the husband. That means a dominated relationship, a dominated wife. So the rubric, mind ailments from domination. Mind ailments from domination. Every Monday he starts to be sick. Every Monday he or she starts to be sick. That's not because of the sickness, but they are pretending to be sick. The rubric, mind feeling sick to be. The main remedies are Pulsatilla and Tarantella hispana. Feeling sick to be. Weeping to get attention from others. The patient or the child is always weeping to get attention from others. Lamenting, especially in the IPD, we can identify this type of personalities. They are always mourning to get the attention of others or the bystanders or the relatives, even though they might have only a small or a simple disease. So the rubric, lamenting. Cannot stay at a place permanently, keeps wandering. Cannot stay at a place permanently, keeps wandering across the globe, across the countries. Then the rubric, vagabond, wandering desire for. The rubric is vagabond. They are always traveling from continent to continent, from place to place. They are not staying in a permanent place. The rubric is vagabond. Making false claims about the knowledge or skill which he or she does not possess. For example, when I was in army, I have done that and that and that and this like that. Means false claims about the knowledge or the skill which he or she does not possess. The rubric, charlatan. When I was in army, I have done this and that like that. Charlatan. Erection fails during sexual intercourse with wife. No problem with other woman. No problem during other times or even during masturbation. But erection fails during sexual intercourse with wife. The rubric, erection wanting, coition during wife. Erection wanting, coition during wife. That rubric is there in synthesis and complete repertory. Lack of erection due to lack of sexual intercourse for a long period. Lack of erection due to lack of sexual intercourse because the husband was away for the job or for some other reasons. Then erection wanting, continence from. That means abstinence from. Erection wanting, abstinence from. Weakness and back pain after intercourse. Weakness and back pain after intercourse. The rubric, back weakness coition after. Severe weakness after coition. That is there in the rubric, back. If the patient is specifically saying that in the lumbar region or sacral region, you can take it as back pain, some lumbar region, weakness, lumbar region, coition after like that. Sleeplessness due to thoughts about future activities. Sleeplessness due to thoughts about the future activities or anything else because of some thoughts crowding and intruding. Sleeplessness, thoughts, activity of mind from. That's rubric. Sleep, sleeplessness, thoughts, activity of mind from. Constipation with no urge for stool since 4 days. Constipation with no urge for stool since 4 days. Without urging, remember, without urging. Then the rubric constipation and the main rubric, that is stool. Rectum constipation, stool remains in the rectum without any urging. Another rubric is inactivity. So you can consider any of this rubric without any urging. No urging, that results in the constipation. Split streams of urine, double stream or triple stream of urination. That rubric, bladder urination, forked stream. In cancer repertory also the same rubric is mentioned. Bladder urination, forked stream. Broken streams of urine. Then how you will work out? Bladder urination interrupted. That's the rubric for that condition. Bladder urination interrupted. Splitting of stream means forked stream. Weak stream of urine. Then how you will work out? Weak streams of urine. Bladder urination, feeble stream. Bladder urination, feeble stream. That's the rubric for that condition. Urinary infection after coition with a new person. UTI after coition with a new person other than the husband. Bladder inflammation, coition after new sexual relationship. Bladder inflammation, coition after new sexual relationship. Urinary infection after the first night. After the first night. Bladder inflammation, coition after the first. Or bladder urination dysuria, coition after the first. So try to remember the rubric. With another person, the rubric bladder inflammation, coition after new sexual relationship. The remedy is medorinum. But the urinary tract infection in the first night, the remedy is Staphysaccarea. Blackish discoloration of skin after an allergic reaction to metallic bangles. Blackish discoloration of skin after an allergic reaction to a metallic bangle. The rubric is there in complete repertory only. Skin blackish, metal from contact with. Another rubric in complete repertory, clinical chapter, allergy, metal dermatitis. Skin blackish, metal from contact with. Another rubric, clinical, allergy, metal dermatitis. So we have discussed a lot of interesting clinical situations and a rubric. Remember, the only way to master the repertory or master the case taking, that is only by constant use of the repertory during case taking itself. You have to refer anything and everything, both for the acute and chronic diseases in the repertory. That is the only way to master the repertory and only way to master the case taking. Taking the cases of the different age group during the studentship itself. That's the only way to master the art of case taking. And that's always refer the repertory each and every case for the acute and chronic. And that is the only way to master the repertory. No other way. So please visit our Facebook page, Homeopathy Homeobook, with the largest number of subscribers. And we request you to give your valuable reviews, comments and suggestions to either to our WhatsApp number 9249 337799 or my email ID similima@yahoo.com. And don't forget to subscribe for our channel for more videos like this, youtube.com/drmansoorali. And the part 6 that will be available soon in the YouTube. So try to study the repertory in detail. So one of the main problem we encounter in practice is the conversion of the patient symptom into the language of the repertory. So this series that will definitely help you to master the art of case taking and also selecting the rubric and repertorization. So that's all for the time being. Thank you. Thank you.